Let me show you how apples and brown sugar transform ordinary pork chops into something extraordinary, sweet, savory, and impossibly tender. Start by tenderizing pork shoulder chops. The pounding prevents shrinking and creates perfect texture. Sear until golden brown, then bit flavor with softened onions and tart apple slices. The fruit acidity cuts through the richness brilliantly. The magic trio: 1 spoon of brown sugar for caramel depth, 3 spoons of black soy sauce for saltiness, 1 spoon of oyster sauce for umami. Add just enough water to cover, then simmer cover for 10 minutes. When you lift the lid, the sauce will have reduced to a glossy, apple-infused glaze. That first bite surprises you. The pork stays juicy beneath its crust. The apples melt into the sauce, and that sweet, savory balance keeps you coming back. What sounds unusual becomes unforgettable.